All right, so in math, we've been working on multiplication, division, different things about multiplication, and how they all go together, right?
Right.
And we have our different goals that we're working on and working towards. So today, I'm going to kind of check in with you guys to see how your goals are going and how we're going to move on or maybe keep working on something because we want to get better at that. Okay, so that's what we're going to kind of do today. And then I'll use your check-in to help me say, oh yeah, they've got it. Or, we could still work a little bit more on this, and then they'll get it. Okay? Thumbs up if you thought the check-in was pretty good. You're like, I've got this stuff. I feel like I'm a pro.
It was kind of on a few questions.
Kind of tricky.
Yeah.
The last question.
Okay, but you have in your mind how you think you did, right? Maybe I need to keep working on this a little bit, or I'm ready for something new, right?
Yeah.
And either way is good. So if you are usually with Mr. Counts this week so far, you can go to his table and we'll do some work. And then if you are Ethan, Desiree, Cece, Jordan, Cam, Tony, or Cora, you can get on iReady or Khan Academy. Remember how we got to Khan Academy from Schoology? And you had to sign up to be under Coach Lauren Devine?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you can choose iReady or Khan Academy, but if you have to get iReady minutes, go on iReady. Okay? Under Schoology math. And then friends on the carpet still, I need you to get your goals folder and math stuff and come to the carpet. Okay, so go ahead, open up to the next empty page in your book. Write the date 9-22, September 22nd.
Oops, I did a P.
Okay, and then I want you to think about how the check-in went and how everything has been going so far for multiplication and division and the different properties of multiplication that we've been talking about. And I want you to write what you think your goal should be going into next week. Do you need to keep working on division? Maybe you think division is too easy already. You ready for something else? Go ahead and write what you think you need to work on. Cooper, write your goal. And be honest with yourself. Don't need to go to something new if you're not really good at the other things yet.
Really hot.
So you think I should still work on the short sentence?
Just one sentence.
I get stuck on like the really hard questions, like in division, like going to where you only have a small amount of stuff to go into a huge number that I had to figure out.
Write that down. If you can be really specific, be more specific. If you know there's something about division that you need to work on, write that down.
Faster, but I figured it out in about a couple of
You want to work on your division fluency? Is that what you're saying? You want to be faster at it?
faster at the harder ones, but I'm still going to take like a minute on them.
So write that down.
But I think I'd be ready for harder.
There we go.
Okay.
Does that look like fluency? Division fluency.
Okay.
They look like evil eyes.
So now looking at your goal, I want you to think, what can I do next week to make this goal achievable? Remember in our PLP yesterday we did the action steps? What are you actually going to do to help meet this goal? Are you going to do an extra lesson on iReady? Are you going to work with the teacher on it? What are some things that you can do to achieve this goal? Maybe you need to be on reflex. Maybe you want to be moved to multiplication and division on reflex.
The thing that I seriously am really bad at that I think I should work on, all the things that we did do not have that quite
I
yet.
can do it on like these
It's
two multiplication.
Like it's two elements of math and one like division and addition, like what two of those four and put together into one equation.
So multi-step
using-
problems.
Yeah.
Okay, that could be a good
Like
goal.
multiplication, division.
That's something you want to get better at?
Yeah, like two of the four. And then
So
putting
maybe
them together.
solving multi-step problems.
Exactly. I want to get better at the division facts.
I want to get better at division facts and also can do with division.
Okay, so does everybody want to share their goal? Or no? Kiefer, what's your goal?
My goal is to start getting better at division and like the really high multiplication facts.
This is 5 times 4.
To know division facts, to get division facts in my head without doing the arrays and stuff. And I'm going to do that iReady
So
and
you get 5.
read guys instead of just
How
playing
many fives
around
plus
with no
4?
idea. It's my brother.
I know 23
So maybe
divided
instead
by
of
4.
playing with your brothers, you're gonna do iReady.
I know 23
Make sure you still play with your brothers a
divided
little bit too, though.
Yeah.
Don't like. I don't like.
So go ahead, rip out your page, and I'll put it in your folder for you. And then thinking about your goal, I want you to go make a choice right now. Either iReady, Reflex, maybe you want to just make arrays and make different problems to practice.
I want to
Maybe
do
working with a partner, okay? Go make the choice of Khan Academy, maybe go make a choice of what you think would help you most reach your goal right now.
I'm going to
Okay.
do reflex first and then at the end I'm going to do a little bit of iReady.
I'm going to go on iReady and practice my multiplication facts, and then I'm going to go on Khan Academy.
Try to figure out the facts that I have right now. The facts that I have the most right now that I don't.
Your tag is still up here with place value and rounding. Do you think that we can move it to another one? What, did you, do you think that you're really good at place value and rounding now? You understand how to do it? Okay, where do you think that you could move your name? What are you working on now? We have multiplication, order and grouping, splitting numbers to multiply, and then division. What do you think you're on now?
Good one, Jack.
Multiplication, perfect. Okay, so we'll put that in your goals folder, and that's what we'll keep working on. Thanks, Ethan.